So if you want to make animated videos or you want to be a full-time animator, then this video is for you. I am Shivam from Gossipfunda YouTube channel, and in this video we're gonna talk about how to make animations. So watch this video till end. Let's start the video without any delay. So being an animator is a very tough task. It requires lots of potential, concentration, and most important thing, lots of creativity. And if you are not creative, then forget about this. Even people take courses for animation. Animation portrays your imagination. It's an art. So to be an animation artist, you require all these skills. So first of all, start designing your own characters. Roughly design it on paper and then design it virtually. You can design your characters on tablets, PC, and even on mobile phones. And for this, you just require an sketching application. For mobile and tablet, you can use Sketchbook and Procreate, and for PC, you can use Adobe Illustrator. Now design background and provide movement to your character. To give movement to your character, you can use KineMaster, Premiere Pro, Adobe After Effects, and any other video editing applications. For 3D animation, you can use Blender as well. Now select sounds and also add effects to your animation. So these were some easy tips from which you can start your animations. But you have to show creativity and have to practice more and more. So I hope this video will be useful to you. Make sure to like the video. Also share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also visit to our website from given link in description. Thank you so much. See you soon.